Transform your projects with professional-grade equipment that sets new industry standards. Enter the world of this tools, where cutting-edge innovation meets unparalleled performance. As pioneers in power tool excellence, their comprehensive selection promises to revolutionize your workflow. Join us as we explore 17 game-changing tools that will redefine the way you approach your craft. A sturdy work table is an indispensable item for an ideal workshop, so let's wrap up today's list with the Ryobi RWG2CL folding work table. This portable table is great for both DIY enthusiasts and tradespeople. It comes with a single-step release mechanism that enables quick deployment and brings a safer solution to balance your work bases. Most importantly, this folding work table has up to 180 kilograms of load capacity, meaning you can use it for large, messy projects. Another pro of this table is it includes 12-inch clamps, which lets you hold the materials more firmly and work with absolute safety. Last but not least, the durable construction makes the RWG2CL a perfect solution for harsh job site conditions.
The toughest job requires tough tools to be done. That's where the Milwaukee M18 fuel chainsaw comes in handy. This saw is built to meet the needs of professionals in landscape maintenance and power utility, as well as DIYers who demand the best. Thanks to its impressive power and performance, it lets you cut through hardwoods faster than gas-powered chainsaws and allows you to make around 150 cuts on a single charge, meaning you can work for longer without stopping to refuel. And with the 16-inch Oregon bar and chain, this chainsaw is built to last and tackle even the most challenging cutting tasks. Plus, the automatic chain oiler and lubrication system extend the tool's lifespan so you can keep working without interruptions. So don't settle for less than the power, durability, and ergonomic design of this chainsaw.
Let's be frank, you've always wanted such a way of cleaning dead leaves and debris where you can spend as minimal effort as possible. The Ryobi Jet Fan Blower is a powerful outdoor tool that makes all those tasks a breeze. This blower is designed to deliver an impressive 450 CFM and 120 miles per hour of airspeed, making it a great tool for tackling both wet and dry leaves. With a variable speed trigger, it allows you to get the desired airflow when working around delicate areas like flower beds and let you avoid damaging plants and other objects. Plus, it runs on a 40-volt battery that gives you plenty of power for a wide range of tasks like clearing driveways, patios, or gardens. We know the pain of pesky bugs while you're at the campsite or outdoor entertainment area. Keeping that in mind, Ryobi designed this R18BZL Bug Zapper. This zapper has a UV light that attracts bugs covering a 5-meter radius, which lures the bugs towards it and eliminates them in seconds. The best thing about this tool is its portable design, which allows easy carry and transportation. Thanks to the instant killing mechanism of the electrified grid, it provides efficient and quick relief from pests. This tool also features a hanging hook that enables safe hanging anywhere, anytime, and the removable tray lets you clean it up in mere time. You'll also get a USB charging port for small electrical devices and adjustable lantern with 3 different brightness settings, giving you a customizable lighting solution for all outdoor areas.
Think outside the box with the 3D multi-marking square. This innovative tool brings 3-dimensional thinking to your layout work. Struggling with complex joinery or angle cuts? The 3D multi-marking square allows you to reference and mark multiple planes simultaneously, simplifying even the most challenging layout tasks. Its carefully crafted body ensures accuracy, while the multiple reference edges provide versatility for a wide range of applications. From timber framing to intricate box making, this square opens up new possibilities in your woodworking. Discover a new level of precision with the 3D multi-marking square, crafted to elevate your layout work in 3D. There's no doubt construction workers often get annoyed with unreliable vibrating assistants. Keeping that in mind, Milwaukee designed this big guy. This MX fuel vibratory screeder will change your screening game forever. This tool provides enough power that rivals gas-powered tools. And the best part, it works with all size bars, whether it's 12 or 16 feet long. So you no longer have to switch tools between projects. This screeder runs on a red lithium battery pack that lasts just as long as a full tank of gas. Plus, the responsive trigger and ergonomic design ensure comfort and ease throughout your entire project. So do you want to be the envy of all your professional peers? Then get your hands on the MX Fuel Vibratory Screeder and experience the ultimate power. Bid farewell to dado stack hassles with the ingenious dado nut. This simple yet effective accessory transforms your standard table saw blade into a dado cutting powerhouse. The dado nut simplifies cutting dados and grooves by letting you use your regular blade. This solution saves time and avoids the cumbersome process of setting up dado stacks. Engineered with a precision machine body, this tool provides reliable and accurate results. It's a great addition for cabinet and shelving projects, enhancing your saw's versatility without incurring excessive costs. The dado nut simplifies dado tasks and improves workflow. As the old saying goes, you can never have too many clamps. Well, the Clamp Pal is here to prove that sometimes one clamp is all you need. This versatile clamping system adapts to a wide range of applications, from edge banding to panel glue-ups. Tired of juggling multiple clamps for complex assemblies? The Clamp Pal's unique design allows it to distribute pressure evenly across large surfaces. Its adjustable jaws accommodate various material thicknesses, which makes it a true jack of all trades in your workshop. Don't let clamping limitations cramp your style. Let the Clamp Pal free you to tackle bigger, bolder projects. Next on the list is Milwaukee M18 Searchlight, a powerful and versatile handheld flashlight designed to provide exceptional performance and durability in a wide range of environments. This searchlight allows you to spot farther and flood brighter, making it ideal for a variety of applications such as camping, hunting, and emergency preparedness. One of the standout features of the light is its pivoting head, which provides 1250 lumens of TrueView high-definition output and over 730 yards of beam distance to spot objects and areas at a far distance. This makes it an ideal tool for search and rescue operations or for illuminating large outdoor areas. Another impressive feature of the Milwaukee M18 Searchlight is its 4 output modes to suit your specific needs, whether you need to illuminate a wide area or focus on a specific spot.
Your neighbors will surely be impressed by the perfectly edged lawn you'll have after using the Ryobi R36 XED G10. This is a perfectly designed ground mount edger for professional landscapers and DIY gardeners. It simply brings all the controls into the palm of your hands. You only need to bend down when you attach the battery. The rest of the task will be completed while standing. Thus you can spend less time making adjustments and more time edging. The super ergonomic handle of this tool lets you operate with maximum ease. Having all the power in hand, it often feels like you're driving a bike. Oh, it also allows you to get the exact cutting depth you need, meaning you'll get an extraordinarily out look for your lawn with minimal effort. This tool is a great combination of magnifying glass and a bright LED. The Ryobi Magnifying LED Clamp Light is a versatile and innovative tool suitable for use by technicians, inspectors, collectors, hobbyists, crafters, readers, and many more. The LED clamp light features a high-quality magnifying glass that provides up to 5 times extra magnification, while the LED light delivers a maximum output of 500 lumens, providing bright and clear illumination for detail work. When it needs, you can clamp this tool to materials up to 1 3/4 inches thick, which ensures a secure and stable attachment.
When it comes to pattern routing, these bits are a cut above the rest. The Ultra Shear pattern bits boast a razor-sharp edge that slices through it like a hot knife through butter. Their unique geometry reduces tear out even on the most temperamental grain patterns. Frustrated by chatter marks and rough edges? These bits are your solution. The carbide tips stay sharp for ages, which saves you time and money on replacements. From intricate inlays to large-scale duplications, these bits handle it all with ease. Don't let subpar bits hold you back. Step up your routing game with Ultra Shear. Now let's wrap up today's list with the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Paddle Mixer. It's a great concrete mixing solution made for construction pros. First things first, it provides impressive cordless power and easily beats any regular corded one. Thanks to the ergonomic shape and comfy 180-degree handle, you can operate this paddle mixer with ultimate fun. Plus, it equips a high-efficiency brushless motor that generates enough power to mix heavy compounds such as concrete, mortar, thick paints, and all. Not just that, it also provides you with the ultimate speed control, meaning you'll get 3 different ways of controlling speed, getting the cleanest and most consistent mixes for every job. No matter whether you're a low or high heightened person, the 150mm extendable paddle will make the operation cozier. Finally, the onboard fuel gauge and the built-in LED will make your working process safer and more precise. No time to explain. You're surely going to be surprised by the amount of torque and power this tool provides. This Milwaukee MX fuel cutoff saw is an extremely versatile solution for cutting a wide variety of materials. It's great for cutting metal, MC cables, reinforced concrete, and steel studs. Some other features worth mentioning. This tool produces no fumes, so you can use it indoors. Plus, it comes with the M18 switch tank, so you don't need to have a 300-foot hose for a water supply. Hold on, there's more. This battery-powered cutoff saw ensures you will experience no gas headaches. This tool just can cut everything your project throws at you. Prepare to bid farewell to strip screws and split wood. The EasyDrive is an innovative screw driving system that takes the hassle out of fastening. Its unique design allows for precise control of torque and downward pressure, which ensures screws are driven perfectly every time. Say goodbye to camouts and damaged screw heads. The EasyDrive's magnetic bit holder keeps your driver securely engaged, reducing both slippage and wear. From delicate hardware installation to heavy-duty construction, this tool adapts to any fastening task. Ready to make driving screws a breeze? The EasyDrive is your solution to fastening frustrations. When it comes to layout work, size matters, and the Big Cal is here to prove it. This oversized caliper brings precision measurement to a whole new scale. Struggling with accurate measurements on large workpieces? The Big Cal's extended jaws and large digital readout make it a breeze to measure everything from board widths to complex assemblies. Its durable construction stands up to workshop wear and tear, while the easy-to-read display eliminates squinting and guesswork. From furniture making to timber framing, the Big Cal is your go-to for big measurements. Don't let size limitations cramp your style. Go big with Big Cal. In the world of woodworking, accuracy is king, and these precision triangles wear the crown. Machined to exacting tolerances, they provide dead-on 90 degrees and 45 degrees references for layout and machine setup. Frustrated by inaccurate cuts and gaps in your joinery? These triangles ensure your tools are dialed in perfectly every time. The hard anodized aluminum construction resists wear and tear and maintains accuracy for years to come. From squaring up your table saw to laying out complex joinery, these triangles have you covered. Don't let imprecision compromise your craftsmanship. Arm yourself with Woodpecker's precision triangles.
That was all about 17 game-changing tools that are worth buying.
Thanks for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.